Do you ever feel that you know the English words, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? You start translating in your head, panic, speak two lines, and stop. That's exactly why most people stay stuck for years. So, in this video, I'm going to give you one simple fluency challenge that can genuinely improve your spoken English in just 30 days without memorizing grammar books or learning fancy vocabulary. The biggest mistake that people make while learning English is this: they study English more than they actually use it. They would watch videos, read notes, save vocabulary lists that they never revise again. But fluency is a speaking skill. And speaking improves only when your mouth gets used to forming English sentences naturally. So here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, you are going to follow something called the 5-minute daily speaking challenge. That's it. Only 5 minutes. Because if the plan feels difficult, you won't stay consistent. And here is how it will work. Every day, you would pick one simple topic from your daily life. It could be anything like what you ate today, or how was your school, how was your office, or maybe a movie you watched recently, or your favorite place, something annoying that happened recently with you. Now, many people would get stuck here. They would think, what exactly should I say? But here's the trick: don't write full sentences. When you're thinking, use keywords. For example, if your topic is my school or my office day, so you can use keywords like late, meeting, or if it is school, then you can say class, then friend, then lunch, tired, traffic. Now, using these keywords, your brain automatically starts creating sentences. So, how would you say? Today was a quite tiring day for me. I reached school late because of the traffic. After that, I attended my classes and met one of my friends during break time. Lunch was actually good, which is rare, but by evening I felt really tired because I finished all my work. See, simple English, simple ideas, but continuous speaking. Now, let's take another example. For example, a movie I recently watched. So, here your keywords could be: when did you watch the movie? So, let's say weekend. What kind of movie it was? It was an action movie or a funny movie. What kind of scenes were there? Funny scenes or action packed scenes? Who was your favorite character? So it could be your main hero. And how was the ending? Maybe you didn't like the ending much, right? So let's collate it together. Last weekend, I watched an action movie with my family. The movie had some action packed sequences or some really funny scenes. So I enjoyed it a lot in the beginning. My favorite character was the main hero because he was confident and smart. But honestly, the ending was a little boring and predictable. That's how you practice fluency. Not by memorizing paragraphs, not by translating from your native language. Just think of keywords and expand naturally. And here's a strategy that makes this challenge powerful. First step: speak. Talk for 5 minutes without stopping. So, like just we have done right now. The next thing that you're going to do is you will record. You can use your phone recorder or voice recorder, anything that you're comfortable with. Step number 3 is review. Review means you will listen to it once and you will notice. What will you notice? Where did you pause? Too much pause? Or which words did you repeat? Did you switch to your native language? And where was it that you switched to it? That's all. Not 25 grammar exercises or not 100 new words daily. Just consistent speaking practice. Most people avoid recording themselves because they feel awkward. But honestly, that awkward feeling is exactly what helps you improve. After 1 week, you'll yourself notice fewer pauses. After 2 weeks, you would find your confidence improves. And after 1 month, your speaking English will feel more natural instead of being stressful. So, the challenge is day number one, just 5 minutes. And if you're joining this 30-day fluency challenge, comment I am starting today. Also, follow for daily fluency tasks because I'll be posting simple speaking challenges every single day to help you speak English confidently and naturally. Stay tuned. Bye.